Hey everyone! Welcome back to Income Innovators. Today, I've got an exciting list of 10 creative side hustles you can start right now. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or just love spending time with animals, there's something on this list for everyone. Let's jump right in. First up, we're talking about print on demand, one of my favorite side hustles because it's completely passive income once you set it up. Create a cool design, upload it to a platform like Teespring, Printful, or Printify, and they handle everything else from printing to shipping. The key here is to tap into your creativity and find a niche. Promote your designs on social media, reach out to influencers, and consider running targeted ads to get your product seen by the right audience. With a bit of effort and a killer design, you can build a passive income stream that keeps generating cash while you sleep. Are you fluent in another language? Turn it into a lucrative side hustle by becoming a language tutor on platforms like italki and Preply. Set your own rates and hours and teach from anywhere with a stable internet connection. To stand out, create engaging lesson plans, offer personalized feedback, and be patient with your students. Have you always dreamed of becoming an author? With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can self-publish your ebook and reach millions of readers worldwide. You write the book, design the cover, and set the price. Plus, you keep a larger percentage of the royalties compared to traditional publishing. Think about your passions, your expertise, or even a fictional world you've created in your mind. Whether it's a how-to guide, a romance novel, or a children's book, there's an audience for everything. Do you have a knack for photography? Turn your passion into passive income by selling your photos online on websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Upload a diverse portfolio and use relevant keywords so buyers can easily find your work. Every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. The more photos you have available, the higher your earning potential. If you love cooking and have a knack for creating delicious and healthy meals, then offering meal prep services could be your perfect side hustle. Start by spreading the word to your friends, family, and neighbors. Social media is also a powerful tool to showcase your culinary creations and attract hungry customers. Maintain a clean and organized kitchen, use fresh ingredients, and clearly label all your meals with ingredients and reheating instructions. Calling all creative souls. If you love crafting and have a talent for creating unique handmade goods, then Etsy is the perfect platform for you. The key to success on Etsy is to find your niche and create high-quality products that stand out from the crowd. Take stunning photos that showcase your crafts and write detailed descriptions that highlight the uniqueness of your products. Utilize Etsy's advertising platform, collaborate with other sellers, and engage with your customers on social media to build a loyal following. Do you have a way with words? Freelance writing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative way to turn your writing skills into cash. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for writing talent. Set your rates, choose projects that interest you, and work from anywhere in the world. Building a strong portfolio is essential. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. If you're an animal lover, get paid to spend time with furry friends by offering pet sitting or dog walking services. Websites and apps like Rover and Wag connect pet sitters and dog walkers with pet owners in their local area. Set your availability. Choose the types of pets you're comfortable with and set your rates. Treat every pet as if it were your own. Provide exceptional care and attention, and go the extra mile to exceed the pet owner's expectations. Do you enjoy spending time with children? Babysitting or providing childcare services can be a rewarding and flexible side hustle. Online platforms like Care.com and Urban Sitter connect babysitters and childcare providers with families in their area. Be reliable, punctual, and genuinely enthusiastic about caring for children. Are you a gaming enthusiast with a knack for entertainment? Why not turn your passion into profit by streaming on Twitch? Choose games you're passionate about and that you excel at. Interact with your viewers, respond to their comments, and create an engaging and entertaining atmosphere. Promote your channel on social media, collaborate with other streamers, and participate in Twitch communities to grow your audience. There you have it, 10 creative side hustles you can start today. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't be afraid to experiment, find what you enjoy, and hustle your way to extra income. Don't forget to like, subscribe,